Connie with SimplySimpleStamping.com. I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday tip, and let me tell you, today's tip is great. If you ever try to tie bows onto a card and they come out loose, I've got a really great tip that's going to hold that ribbon in place while you tie. And guys, it's as easy as a paper piercer and a mini glue dot. So I've got my glue dot here on my paper piercer. Watch this. So I'm going to give that ribbon kind of a nice firm tie. I can hold it there for just a second. That's going to allow me to see where to put that mini glue dot. There it is. See that? Really easy. I'm going to take my piece of ribbon. Ta-da! It is down, and that's now going to give me the ability to come in, do my tying. I don't have to worry about that glue dot slipping. Look at that. Nice, tight, my bow's not moving around. I have the ability to manipulate the bow all that I want because I don't have to worry about it moving. How's that, guys, for a tip? So simple. Paper piercer, glue dot, and you are gonna have nice, wonderful, in-place ribbons. Guys, it couldn't be any easier than that. I hope you found today's tip helpful. Be sure to come back next Tuesday. We'll have more waiting for you. Guys, have a great day. See you over at SimplySimpleStamping.com. Bye-bye.